Nishiti. I read in class 8. My name is Mohammed Musa. I read in class 8.
And we have prepared a project on the problem of local level migration. Mostly the migration is of three types, that is rural to rural, rural to urban, and urban to urban. In our area, the most of the people migrate from our villages to the big cities in search of job, because our land is not that fertile and even the irrigation facility is not proper, so people fails to produce something in the summer, so they go from village to cities. Most of the people faces problem there, so government must try something and launch some new scheme so that people can found work in their village only, just like the appreciation work of government is like Manrega, and they also give training to people through ITIs. Government must invest in cities as well as in villages, and as most of the people of India live in the village, so village must be taken care of by investing, and industries must be open near village so that more and more people get job. Most of the people migrate with their family, but while migration, after migration, they face many problems like living there. They are also not given proper wages for their work. So government must, just like the Manrega, other schemes must be launched, just like the One Nation One Ration card that government has launched, so that people get food in their villages, and wherever they will live, they will at least get food, so that even if they will not get their wages on proper time, they can have their food properly. People also must inform to their village panchayat, so that the sarpanch and the other people of their gram panchayat must be know that where their villagers are going, so that in case if there is any problem, they can find them by going there. But people are not doing there, so people must be aware of that. Thank you.